So I have one of my favorite typewriters back again. This is a Royal Model O, and really, I mean, I say the same thing every time. It is probably one of the best typing, truly vintage manual typewriters. This is a 1937. There's no bells and whistles. It's super simple. They're easy to type on, easy to use, and overall, we've had numerous Model O's. They're the most consistent typewriter that we've had. And I'm saying all of that when honestly, a lot of times I'll pre-type on a typewriter before I do these videos, and I didn't on this one. So hoping it lives up to its reputation, because I've never been disappointed in one. So this is a portable typewriter, and it is great to just have on hand to whip out and just type out some thoughts on it. And I swear, I always tell myself I'm going to keep one, because I have a Smith Corona Electric from the 50s that I love, but I really want a little manual, and I really want a Model O. So one of these days I'm going to steal one, and it's not going to make it on our website. Okay, so I'm going to release the carriage, and the release lever is right here. It's small, and it's also here on the left side. You can hear that cute little bell. This is your paper release, so it releases the tension. Your margins, okay? No tabs on this, which I like that. The less you have to deal with, the better, in my opinion. Just get down to writing. Okay, so this one is when you hit the return handle, it'll advance either single line or double line, depending on how you have it set. And then there's two little levers. So the one closest to the roller does that, and then the one that's kind of further back, this one's going to release the roller, so you can do some fine adjusting. Because when it's engaged, it'll turn every half a line, and then when you release it, then it's free and you can adjust it any way you want. But always make sure it's re-engaged. Okay, while I have it to the left, I'm going to pop open the top. Come on, there we go. And you'll see the ribbon. It does use a universal ribbon. You can get additional ribbons on our website at untitled.typewriters.com. They're super easy just to pop in, pop out, black on top, red on bottom. Make sure it's threaded properly through all the guide wires. There is an up-close photo on our website. If you click that product listing, it'll take you to the photos. Even if the typewriter is sold, you can look at that. This is called an escapement, and these are your type bars. Right here, this will, I just lost my words. This is your ribbon reversal. It switches the directions of your ribbon, because the ribbon is actually pretty short on these, but there's a lot of ink in there. So when you get to the end, reverse the direction, and just keep reversing till you use up all of that ink. It should be dozens and dozens of times. To select your color is right here. So it's on black. You can switch over to red. The white you don't ever will use. It actually, if you have it set on the white, it's not going to do anything. So, and I think you actually, yeah, you have to like press it down and go down to even get into it. So you're not ever going to use it. And then this just determines how hard your type bars are going to strike. It's just an adjustment, less and more. So if you want your font to look lighter or darker, you just kind of put that however you want to do it. Okay, let's go ahead and do a typing demo. All right, so let's put some paper in here, and I just use regular copy paper. You just set it there. You don't need to press it, push it in there or anything like that. Just set it and then let the roller pull it through. Make sure you pull the bar up. And a lot of times for beginners, I'm usually recommending Smith Corona from the 60s or 70s. But this one, if you're a beginner but you really want an older typewriter, then the Royal Model O is an excellent choice for that, because it's easy to use, and it's a beautiful machine. This has the original glass keys with the chrome, circle around it. I love the feel of them. It's just such a pretty little typewriter. Okay, there's no number one. There's nothing wrong with the typewriter. You use the lowercase l. So this is a 1937 Royal Model O. Oh, you guys, there's a reason this is one of my favorite typewriters. Okay. This one does not disappoint. Now on the shift lock on these older typewriters, and I don't know if you can see or not, instead of pressing just straight down, you kind of have to go down and back for it to lock. So you push down and back. There's a little bar, so when you press it down, it needs to go underneath that bar. All right, let's keep going. So easy to type. This is just a sweet machine. Every typewriter, I think, has its own little personality. I realize this is really crooked for you guys. It always is on my videos. I'm so sorry. I work on a slick surface, and I got to change that. So every time I type, my typewriters are moving. Plus, sometimes it looks level in my video, but then I look down and it's not, and this is not a professional production, and so sorry that it has to be crooked sometimes. Okay, I forgot what I was saying before that. Who loves fall? It's fall season. Quick brown fox. I don't mind it, but I'm already waiting for spring. I am a warm weather person. Now, I love cozy blankets, and a warm cup of coffee or hot chocolate. But that's like for vacation. After a few days, I'm like, okay, that was fun. There's the sunshine and the green leaves. Okay, I can't talk and type. Okay, I can't see my hands, so sorry about this. Backspace is right here. Okay, so the bell does not work on this one. Okay, now I heard it, but it didn't do it before, just so you know. And let me check. I want to check something. Okay, so... Oh, okay, so my margin was way too far out. Let's bring the margin in, and I'm going to try that again so you guys can see. Okay, there went the bell. I'm going to see if it's going to stop. Yep, it stopped. Okay, I wanted to make sure that margin was working. The bell was very, very faint. Okay, I'm not going to go through the rest, but I was just double checking that. Still fantastic machine. I love it. Other than the bell being super faint, really there wasn't anything wrong with this. It's going to work great for you. You are not going to be disappointed. This will be your favorite typewriter. It just will. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.